Today, we're diving deep into a review of Holiday Inn Express London, ExCel and IHG Hotel, located in Newham, London. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At Holiday Inn Express London, ExCel and IHG Hotel, you can take in the views from a terrace and make use of amenities such as complimentary wireless internet access and a television in a common area. This hotel also features tour ticket assistance and a vending machine. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to ExCel Exhibition Center, 10 minutes walk, O2 Arena 50 minutes walk, Westfield Stratford City 11 minutes drive, and also close to attractions like London Stadium 11 minutes drive, Tower of London 14 minutes drive, Tower Bridge 13 minutes drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. This is a Holiday Inn, it's not the Dorchester or the Savoy, and to moan about a £100 a night hotel in London is ridiculous. I stay away from home 3/4 nights a week, and if I'm honest, I can't stand London, but I've just stayed here, and for the money it was terrific. The staff were lovely, it was clean, the food is what it is. Yes, it is probably off the beaten tourist path, but with easy on-site parking and a 2-minute walk to the train platform, and maybe 25-minute trip into London, well, it was perfect for us. It was a very comfortable stay. Room service was excellent. Came back to a clean room every day. Hotel staff was very friendly and professional. Specially appreciate staff members Vera, Shay, and Pranav for friendly interactions and great ambiance. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 7/10, for couples, 9/10, for friend groups, 7/10, for solo travel, 8/10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 8/10, cleanliness, 9/10, service, 10 out of 10, value for money, 7/10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip.